This recording will show how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to highlight today, which row has today's date on it. Now, in this video, today's date is July 28th, 2026. So to set this up, let's say you have a log like this with dates along the left side. You highlight all of the dates. I'm not going to go all the way to the bottom for the purpose of this video, but you would probably do the entire column and select the cells that have the dates and then do format, conditional formatting. And then for whatever range you selected will be here. And what you're going to do is you're going to format the cells, the current date, to be a nice yellow flavor, yellow color, if it has today's date in. And you can use this option here that says the date is, or the date is before, the date is after. And we're going to pick the date is, and it defaults to today. Now you can put in, tomorrow, yesterday, whatever date option you want to use. In my case, I'm trying to highlight the cell that has the date equal to today, so I'm just going to say date is today, and that'll make it yellow or whatever color you pick here. Obviously you can do other formatting as well. I think I'm going to make it bold to make it stand out a little better, and that's done, and that's fine. Now you can see in our selected cells that today's date, which is July 28th, is highlighted in yellow and bold. Now tomorrow when you come in, 728 will look normal, but then 729 will be highlighted in yellow and bold because it'll follow that whatever date is equal to today. If you want to enhance it a little bit more or to help today's date stand out, what I frequently do is add another rule to the same date range, and I make those cells gray or some other uninteresting color. Maybe a little whiter would be better. And I'm saying the date is before today is going to be gray, and that's true. And then also, if it's up to you if you want to make the dates after today be gray as well, but I typically do that as well. Or you could pick another color, whatever you like. And that way, when you come over here, let's say you're done with this. The idea is in this spreadsheet example, you were putting in what exercise you did today. Let's say you're up at the top and you're scrolling down looking where's today's date, and you don't want to go look up what's today's date. It'll be highlighted for you in whatever color you picked, yellow in my example, bold. So then you can easily just jump down to where you want to do to today's date and enter whatever you're trying to log. In my case, I went for a walk and I walked 1 mile today for 15 minutes.